As you can see, your contributions are making an enormous difference in the lives of pancreatic cancer patients today. You saw them in the video just now, Phil and Kathy Zabliskie and Elizabeth O'Connor. Please stand and be recognized. Your journey in combating this disease is an inspiration to all of us and further proof that what we are doing here tonight is making a significant difference in pancreatic cancer care. I want to thank Dave Dombrowski for being our honorary chair, and as he explained, we had a major curveball with ESPN, but he was good enough to shift everything to be with us. I'll be back at the end of the program, but I would like to introduce the hardest working advocate we have by far, someone who has twice served as this event's honorary chairman and who recently retired as CEO of Serta Simmons Bedding following a remarkable 44-year career in this industry that has so dedicated itself to our cause. Please give a warm welcome to tonight's Master of Ceremonies, Gary Fazio.
Thank you, Roger. Well, a little bit like baseball. You know, when I was making the announcement on my retirement, they wrote 44 fabulous years. I said, no, I don't think it was 44 of them. Let me tell you, it was about 35 of them. I'll tell you which ones I did not do well. A little bit like baseball. But anyway, welcome tonight. Nice to have Dombrowski up here, get mentioned in his speech. That was really nice. Really enjoyed that. I'm going to remember that. He's going to get a little note from me. But I do want to point out why the reason we're here is because why? We have sponsors. We know what we're trying to accomplish, but without the sponsors, we're not going to get this done. So let me point them out to you. Mattress Firm for their generous support of tonight's dinner. Leggett & Platt, thank you very much. Customatic Adjustable Beds, the Moran Family Foundation, Serta Simmons Bedding, Tempur Sealy Bedding Company, Rule 2 Advisors of Raymond James, the Ergo Motion folks, Sherwood Furniture, Merrimack, who's a new sponsor for us, Protect-A-Bed, Pure Care, and Easy Go. So thank you, all of you, very much. And it's nice, you know, I was talking with Steve and Janine Milkey, who are also the great warriors. They're in the room tonight. Thank you very much. Elizabeth O'Connor, we're going to hear from her dad here shortly, and if you haven't heard him speak, it's fabulous. You're going to enjoy that later on. But I met Phil Zabliskie last night, and I told my wife that he is from where my wife is from, Bethpage, New York. So that was really ironic that both raised in the same town. But anyway, for 15 years it's been since his mother's diagnosis with pancreatic cancer. Roger Magowitz and this organization he founded in his mother's honor has relentlessly pursued the treatments for this cancer. The Sina Magowitz Foundation, in concert with all of you, the bedding industry, the kinds of things that you're doing, you should be proud of. We've helped accelerate scientific research and the breakthroughs that lead to a longer life, a better quality of life, and importantly, the early detection of pancreatic cancer, which in the future is going to maximize the treatment options that we have available for patients. We partner with one of the world's premier cancer research centers. You heard about it tonight, the Phoenix-based nonprofit Translational Genomics Research Institute, or if you want to make it simple, TGen, because TGen is some of the world's top researchers dedicated to pancreatic cancer. And we've got one of them in the room with us tonight. You're going to hear from him shortly. By using the very latest in technology, TGen physicians and scientists are harnessing the power of the human genome and use it to study disease at a molecular level. More importantly, they also do this on an individual level, what Dave talked about, making an individual, unique approach on cancer treatment for each person as they're going through what they are going through. We will discover tonight, thanks to you again, that the work of TGen has substantial progress is now being made against the disease. Year after year, Roger's vision of a world without cancer is not that far away. We've been united to bring this together, to get it done, and we're going to continually celebrate our progress and to hopefully reignite our passion and our commitment to do even more. Ultimately, we seek a cure for this brutal disease, and it's not getting easier, but we're starting to make some progress. But until then, this organization is helping fund some of the research that Dr. Von Hoff talked about in the video, and you're going to hear from him tonight. We help fund the clinical trials that led to the current standard of care, as he pointed out in the video. And now we're helping fund clinical trials that will build on past successes. We do this with compassionate advocates, self-advocates like you, who unite to fund the brightest minds in the medical world, and we've got one tonight. It does take what to get that done? That's right, it takes money to make this kind of progress. Your support makes a difference. Talked about that last year, talked about the year before, and for the last 15 years. It takes money to make it little by little, and a lot piles up, and we're going to make a difference. In the meantime, enjoy your dinner. We're going to give you a little bit more time tonight, 7 minutes. Hey, you got to eat quick. And we'll be back with the rest of our agenda. Thank you.